Hi student, as you know we already learned about freelancing platforms, social media and YouTube, about Civil 3D, that how can we earn from these platforms using our AutoCAD Civil 3D skill. Now it's last but very important video related to earning money Civil 3D by using your website. Once you have your website, it's very important to have your website, because if you are working on freelancing platforms and you are getting clients from social media, YouTube channel and freelancing platform, then you must need to put these clients on your website to contact them permanently. So if you have a nice community on social media and freelancing platform, then you must need to convert your clients from these platform to your website, because if they are falling on your website, then they are your permanent clients and they will pay you more than freelancing platform, because freelancing platform have many experts which can compete you. But when some client go to your website and direct contact you, they will definitely pay you higher amounts. So you must need to create your website. Once you have done with freelancing platforms, social media audience, then it's time to create your website related to AutoCAD Civil 3D or AutoCAD, or you have any other skill, then you can make it. So if you search on Google about AutoCAD, you will see here we have many websites like Autodesk. These are some professional websites. So if we go down, then you can see here we have Stackbond website, itbrand.pk. These all are websites which are working on AutoCAD. You can see. So if you have your website, then you can connect your website same account which you same account of AdSense which you already connect with your YouTube channel, so you can make money using your website. Once you have post and videos related to AutoCAD or AutoCAD Civil 3D which you are posting already on your Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube channel and Udemy, then you can post same content on your website, and you can also post your projects which you are doing on freelancing platforms. So the clients will visit your website, and when they want any project, then they will contact you directly from your website. So it will better to capture the client attentions directly from your website. You can get earning from your website by AdSense, using ads from other companies, which is totally work of AdSense. They will manage your website for the advertisement, and you can also get projects related to AutoCAD. You can also get students for teaching online live sessions and everything. So a website is a very important thing which you have after freelancing platform and social media. First you need to focus on freelancing platform, then you will enhance your skill, and later you can step up with your website. Hope you like this video. Please